hey, if you do any kind of traveling or camping where you don't have access to a shower, this is going to solve that problem. This is a 5-gallon capacity. Fill it up with water, pull the trigger. You're going to have water on hand to do any kind of rinsing or shower. Chewy's in here. We're going to give him a bath so I can demo this for you. But before I do that, just a real quick overview. So this is where you're going to fill your water. This end here has got your pump on it. You can see there's a plug there. There's the pump. Okay. You're just going to drop that down in. This just seals up. It's threaded. So get that plug in there and then go ahead and tighten that down. So you see this? This is your power supply. You get 2 of these. We're going to turn it on. You just long press it. Pump is going to start. Now watch what happens. There we go. We've got water. Now I put warm water in here. You can put whatever temperature you want, but this is a 5-gallon capacity. And look at how powerful that is. That's great. Get him situated. And we can go ahead and just shower him off. Like I said, this is going to be great for really any outdoor scenario where you're not going to have access to a shower, okay? If you got access to some type of water, you can fill this up. Even if you got to get water from a stream or a river, if you're in some kind of like camping or survival situation, whoa! If you wanted to heat it up and then pour it in there. The whole idea is that this is portable and it's meant for travel. I'm just going to give him a quick little bath here. Yeah. All right, we're done. We're going to go ahead and just short press it to turn it off. So it's super portable, very convenient, 5 gallons of water. I only used up a couple gallons giving Chewy a bath there. You're going to get plenty of battery power. Seamless design, easy to use. If you go camping, in my opinion, this is a must-have, but you can use it really for anything you want. So there you have it. Works great. That's my quick review. And as always, thanks for watching.